Want to learn Fijian? Don't start with grammar. Start with the alphabet. You watch, you listen, and you imitate. Imitate the sound. And Bula Vinaka, and welcome to Fijian Language Tutor, Vosa vakaViti. Today, we are going to learn our first Fijian letters. A, tu, nga. Now we know that the Fijian alphabet contains 23 letters altogether, but today we're only going to tackle the first 7 letters. You don't have to get them right the first time. You just watch me, you listen carefully, then imitate me. You got that? Naka. So first, just watch me. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga, nga. Once more. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. Winaka. Now listen once again. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. Once more. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. Once more. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. Now, it's your turn to imitate me. Imitate the sound, okay? Now just watch my mouth. Are you ready? Let's go. A. Your turn. Ba. Da. Da. E. Fa. Nga. Once more. Are you ready? A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. Last one. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. vakaViti. You did very well. Winaka. Now let's put them together. Okay? Let's put them together. Are you ready? Let's go. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. Once more. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. Excellent. Totoka. If you didn't get them all, Don't worry. Sengana lenga, kuoni lenga. All you have to do is replay this lesson. Replay the lesson, watch, listen, imitate. That's how we learned as children. We didn't learn through grammar and all that structure, all that language structure. We just learned by watching, by listening, and by imitating the sound. Maybe your grandparents spoke Fijian, maybe your parents understood it, maybe you only remember a few words. That's okay. It's not too late. We are starting again. Sati Cavutago. Today you've learned a, tu, nga. A, ba, tha, da, e, fa, nga. Next, we'll continue with the next group of letters, one step at a time, one letter at a time, and before you know it, you'll know your Fijian alphabet, Matua Vosa vakaViti, or the Fijian alphabet. 23 letters. And today we have started with the first step by mastering the first 7 letters, A, Tu, Nga. If you want to continue learning with me, please subscribe to Fijian Language Tutor, Vosa vakaViti, and check the link below for the complete VK or VAKA learning materials. Remember, watch, listen, imitate.